Hello. Thanks so much for stopping by, because this means that you want to become better at what you do. Hallelujah! I have some good news and some bad news for you. First, the bad news. If you want people to change, you have to change. And this involves some self-improvement work from your end. The good news is that it is easier than you think. Here's how you can get started. Number 1, intention. Your intention matters. If you are determined to become a better manager or a better person, you are already halfway there. Number 2, start small. If you start improving one small thing, it will have an impact on many other things along the way. If you don't know what this could be, ask every single one of your team members, what is one thing that I can do better for you? Explain why you ask this question. I am committed to develop my leadership skills, and for that I will need your help. No worries. People won't ask you to pay them more money as long as you are not afraid that they will ask you this question. Number 3, finish big. Whatever feedback you receive, pick one and communicate it to your team. For example, I have started to work on improving my listening skills. I stopped multitasking and I pay 100% attention to the person in front of me. How am I doing? That's it. Are you willing to go all in? I encourage you to work harder on yourself than on the people around you, because that's what it is all about. The results you will start to see very soon will be astounding. If you are not ready to do this alone, let's jump on a clarity call to see if coaching is something that you would like to explore. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.